Squint. To partly close your eyes to see something better. He squinted to read the text on his phone. Stop squinting and just put on your glasses. Nudge. To gently push someone with your elbow, often to get attention. I nudged my friend when the teacher came in. I nudged him lightly with my elbow. Palpitate. Heart beats rapidly, strongly, or irregularly, usually because of fear, excitement, or nervousness. My heart is palpitating because I am nervous. After running up the stairs, his heart was palpitating. Poke. To touch or push someone or something lightly, usually with a finger or a pointed object. He poked me gently and said, "Wake up." He poked me to get my attention. Seethe. To feel very angry inside, but not show it openly. He was seething about the unfair decision. I was seething, yet I controlled myself. Filch. To steal something, usually something small, or of little value, often in a sneaky way. Someone filched my notebook from the classroom. He filched a few coins from her brother's wallet. Twitch. To make a sudden, small, quick movement, usually of a part of the body. He couldn't stop his eye from twitching. Sometimes my cheek twitches without reason. Don't twitch, I'm trying to do your eyeliner. Snigger. To laugh quietly in a disrespectful, sly, or mocking way. There's nothing funny, don't snigger. The students were sniggering in the last row. Squander. To waste something, usually money, time or opportunities, carelessly or foolishly. Don't squander your money on useless things. He squandered all his savings on gambling. Don't squander your time scrolling reels all day. Brood. To think deeply and often sadly or worriedly about something. He was brooding silently by the window. Teenagers often brood about their future. Don't brood on things you cannot change. Amble. To walk slowly and in a relaxed way, without hurrying. I like to amble in the park every morning. They were ambling along the beach, enjoying the sunset. Renege. To break a promise, or not do what you agreed to. I will never trust him again, he always reneges. He promised to help me, but he reneged at the last minute. Drool. Saliva flowing out of the mouth. The baby is drooling while sleeping. Wipe your mouth, you are drooling. Stutter. To speak with repeated sounds or pauses, often because of nervousness, fear, or a speech difficulty. He stutters when he speaks in front of people. She was so nervous that she began stuttering. Frown. To bring your eyebrows together and make a sad, worried, or angry expression. Why are you frowning? Did something happen? The teacher frowned at the noisy students.